This is my 26th August trade, which is showing a profit of 220 rupees, and from that position how I ended in loss of 300. To know that reason, let's get started. This is 5-minute time frame in Titan, and I entered into the trade at 1142, so long position at 1142. I kept a stop loss at 34 1134 because as we can see here there was a swing here. So after I saw this swing, I kept the stop loss at 34 because if market crosses this swing, then it will go against my position and it will hit my stop loss. So that is the reason. So because of this stop loss, I have to keep a target of 1:1. This was normally I'll keep a 1:1, but today I thought to keep just more than 1:1, so I kept the target is at 1151. So you can see here market didn't reach till 1151, and we'll discuss that now. So let's start with reasons for today's trade. So we have to go to daily time frame. Market made a bullish sign here. So this is a bullish candle, green candle, and market started moving upward. This is yesterday's candle. So market started moving upward from this area. So as we can see here, this was previous resistance that turned into support this time. So this was previous resistance. Market went down and broke this resistance, and it was taking support at this area, and again market came here yesterday and made a bullish candle. So looking at that, I took the trade in buying side today. The second reason is price action. So market opened at this area, made a low, then started moving up, rally, and came down halfway. Sellers couldn't take the market down, and then buyers again came and broke this high. So this made a higher high pattern. So you can see this candle here, 10 o'clock candle, and the price is also 140. Price crossed this area, I took a trade. The third reason is high volume, and we are in 15-minute time frame. So high volume we can see at this area, and that's the highest volume throughout the day. So I saw this volume and saw this bullish candle. As you can see, price went down this area, but buyers took the price higher and closed at this position. So this is a bullish sign, and I saw this candle and went into the trade. So with the correct analysis and with the market moving in our direction, still why did I not achieve our target? So my mistakes were, I kept a small stop loss when I added the second quantity. I added the second quantity around here, around 1145. I added 30 quantity, and that time I kept a small stop loss. So you can see here big red candle that hit my small stop loss. So that 30 quantity went away and I only had 50 quantity. So that is my one small mistake. And the second reason is I kept the target above the round figure. So you can see here 1150. You can see here 1150. So I should have kept my target at a round figure, because generally in the market round figure acts as a support or resistance. So 1150 acted as a resistance, and market didn't go above this area. So I just kept my target above 1151. So that was very important point, and we all should remember this point whenever we trade next time in the market. So that's it for today. Hope you have liked the video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.